Welcome back to the channel. This is your boy Crypto Mechanic, and right here guys, we are going to be learning about the new strategy of how we can be able to get free XRP into our wallet without having to make any single investment or deposit. Even gas fee is not required when you follow my exact strategy that I'm going to be showing you right here. So make sure you stick around because we are going to be learning the new way that we can earn free repo coin into our wallet without having to make any single investment. So we are going to be making a live withdrawal right here on this video before the video ends. All right, so right now, to get started, I need to introduce our new viewers into what we do right here on this channel. So over here on this channel, we only talk about how to make money completely free of charge on the crypto space without having to make any single investment. All right, so over here guys, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, you are missing out big time. So what you need to do right here to get started is to take note of the fact that we also give out free BNB to anybody watching our video from any part of the world. All right, so right now, to qualify for the free BNB that we are giving out on our Telegram channel, so over here on our Telegram channel, you can see these are the last 2 weeks free BNB winners right here has been announced already. So, and also on this Telegram channel, we also dish out a lot of important information which you need to take note of for you to be able to earn massively right here on the crypto space. So to get started, to qualify for the free BNB, is to simply go ahead and subscribe by clicking this button right here. This bell icon is going to pop up after you click it. So you click on the bell icon again and select all. Once you have done that, YouTube will send you notification immediately I post any new video. All right, so after that guys, you go ahead and give this video a thumbs up like this, and also drop a very nice and interesting comment right here on the comment section. And lastly, you go ahead and share this video to any social media platform of your choice. All right, so right now, once you are done with that, congratulations, you have just qualified for the free BNB giveaway that we do on our Telegram channel. All right, make sure your name is right here on the comment section so that I can get to add you to the number of winners. All right, so right now, let's now continue and learn how we can be able to earn ourselves free XRP into our wallet without having to make any single investment or whatsoever. So the first thing you need to do is simply open your Play Store or your Apple Store and come to the search bar. You type in repo, faucet. Okay, so once you type on it, you got to send it like this. So once you just send it, this is going to be opening up a lot of new application for you. So this is the one that we are talking about. So you click on it and you make sure you get to install it the same way that I have installed mine right now. So once you install it, you just have to click on play. So if you click on play, this is going to be opening the app for you, where you need to do some cool stuff right here. Let me now take you guys through the simple process that you need to take for you to be able to earn yourself massively from this repo faucet right here. So this repo faucet is not going to be earning you thousands of dollars. It is going to be earning you just a little amounts of repo coin, which you can gather enough or much of it over a long period of time. If you just invest enough time into it, you can make up to $50 from this faucet if you just get to invest enough time into it. All right, so right now you can read all this up and just get to move on. So over here, you just need to click on get started once you have gotten to this point. So you click on get started, you can see you can sign using your Google account. So you just need to check this box like this and select Google sign in. So this is going to be opening a list of Google accounts for you that you need to choose the right one you need to use to create your account. You can see welcome back right now, because I've actually selected I've actually opened this already. So right now, your own is going to ask you to a kind of select the account you want to use for it. So over here, you can see this is the first thing that shows up. This is how it looks like, and the withdrawal is straight into Binance account, no stories involved. All right, so you don't need anything to do this. What you need to do is simply follow my steps, and we are gonna be learning how to do it. All right, so over here guys, you can see this code right here is the code that you need to take. You can actually use this code to claim coin on Binance. All right, so over here guys, on this application, what you need to do to get to earn free repo coin or XRP on this website is very easy. Website or application, which one you call it. So over here, you can play game and you can claim every minute. Also, you can claim on daily bonus, and you can claim through coupon code, and you can even claim through referral. So right now, we are going to be doing it one after the other. All right, so the first one is game. So I have to click on it like this. So once I click on it, these are the list of games that I need to play for me to be able to earn from this website. So right now, stick with me. Let me now teach you how to play it. So the first thing you need to do is to select the anyone you want and click on play. and this is what is going to open up. So I have to click on play again. So right now, let me now show you guys how you play this game. So to play this game, you just need to keep tapping this on a particular direction, so until it gets ranged. So you need to repeat the same process again until it gets ranged up. Right, so this is the last one, I guess. I need to do it before these times right here elapse. All right, so you need to do it until the image is well arranged, and right now I guess this should be the last one finally. So okay, and you just need to keep playing until it gets exhausted right here. All right, so we just need to keep on playing this game, and we are going to be making this really quick before we can be able to make withdrawal from this exchange or new platform. All right, so this is how you play the game. Now you can see right here that I have just earned 0.000199 XRP. All right, so this is how you play the game. Let me now go back and show you guys the next thing you need to do for you to be able to earn from this new website. All right, so right now I just need to click on save. So you can see that I have successfully claimed it. So I have to click on OK. So right now you can see that our balance has changed right now. So over here, the next thing you need to click is to click claim by minute. So I have to click on it right now. So when you click on it, let me now explain to you guys how this works. So over here, you can spend to get some free coins. So over here, on this 10-minute claim, it means that you can claim every 10 minutes. So once I make each claim, I have to wait for the next 10 minutes before I can be able to claim another one. The same thing goes right here. And this is also a spin. So right here, let's start with the spin right now. So I have to click on it. So right here, this is what you got to get. So right now you need to click on spin. So once you click on spin, this is going to spin and give you a random number of SRP for free. All right, so over here you can see that we just earn another SRP right now. So you need to click right now, you simply click on save, so that let's go and do other ones immediately. And you can see that we just claimed right now. So I need to click on OK. So right now, the same thing, remember what I said about this 10 minutes. So right now you can also do the same thing right here. So but this is now this is not a problem. You can try it out by yourself. Let's now try out the golden spin right now. So I have to click on it. So over here on this golden spin, we kind of have a higher number of coin to get right here. So I need to click on spin. So this is gonna spin up, and let's see what we're gonna be getting right here. So you can see we just got another amount of SRP right now. So I got to click on save. So I click on OK. So over here, this is where you get your daily bonus. So we have done talking about this and this. So let's now check out the daily bonus right now. Remember, we are going to be making a withdrawal right here before the video ends. All right. So right now, to get on the daily, so you need to click on daily right now. So over here on the daily bonus, you can claim bonus every single day by just interacting with this. All right. So what you got to do right now is simply click on claim now. So you can see, do you want to claim this? So I'll click on yes. And boom, you can see that we just made a claim right now. So I have to click on OK. So and over here, you can see that you can do this after the next day. So the next day, you need to wait for 24 hours before you can be able to claim another one. So right now, what I need to do right now is simply click on OK. So right now over here, you can see this is where the coupon code works right out. So over here, you can see that this is when I click on the coupon code, you just need to join the social media handle, so that each time they drop a code there, you can use the code to come over here. So first of all, let me now just explain. Let me now open it for you guys. So I'll click on the coupon code right now. Over here on the coupon code, you can see this is where you get to paste the coupon code. So to get the coupon, you just need to join any of the social media handle, especially Telegram. So once you click on it, you can see that no link added for now. So you can see you just need to wait up. So when they drop the link, you can paste the link right here and get to claim some coin for free. So right now I have to go back right now. So once I get back, you can see this is our balance right now. So let's now try out the withdrawal. Let's say the minimum threshold that we need to meet before we can actually withdraw straight into our Binance account. So to withdraw, you need to click on this control panel like this. Once you click on the control panel, you need to click on payout. So right now, once you click on payout, these are the last 10 transactions on this application. So right now, let's now check out the withdrawal. Let's see what we're gonna have right there. So over here, you can see that when I click on redeem, let's now check out the terms. You can see over here that the withdrawal amount that I want to withdraw is 0.000 73637, and over here that I'm gonna be receiving this amount of SRP. So right now I need to select my method of payment. All right, so remember, you can do this over and over provided that you keep on earning. So right now I want to make my withdrawal to Binance. I have to select Binance like this. So over here you can see enter your Binance SRP BIP20's matching address. So this is gonna be needing me to go to my Binance account and get my my XRP address on Binance on BNB network. All right. Okay, so over here, this is my Binance account right here. So I have to go back like this. When I click on wallet, I need to click on deposit. All right. So once I click on deposit, I need to select XRP. All right. So I have to select SRP, my bad, XRP like this. So this is a XRP right here, which is a Ripple coin. Right now, I need to select network, which is the BIP20s. This is it. So right now you can see blah 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 name tag. So I don't need to click on OK. So over here, we are required to get it under BIP20. So this is we are right. So right now I need to click on copy. So once I've copied it, I need to go back like this to this particular application. I need to paste my address right here. So I need to paste it like this and click on save. All right. So once I click on save, this is going to be saving my address right now. Right now I can go ahead and make my withdrawal right now. So over here you can see this is the minimum amount of SRP that you can actually withdraw. So over here, this is how it works. So right now, let's now check out the withdrawal. We have reached the minimum threshold already. So right now, what I need to click right now is simply click on continue like this. Once I click on continue, so this is you can see over here withdrawal successfully. You and this is gonna be taking around 24 hours before it's gonna be reflecting on my Binance account. So right now, I'm gonna be showing you guys where it's reflected, and also but the most important thing right here is that this is how you get to earn yourself free SRP, all right, and get to withdraw it straight to your Binance account. So right now you can see right now that my balance right here is 0. So I have to go back to my Binance account and check out if I've actually withdrawn anything. So if you look up here, you can see that I just got a notification right now, and you can see over here that boom, my SRP right now has been deposited. You can see over here that my SRP is under processing. So right now I need to go to my Binance account. You can see that the payment is instant. The payment is instant. So right now you can see it by yourself right here that we just got ourselves credited right now. Okay, so over here I will go to home and I get to go to my wallet. Let's see, you can see over here the deposit of XRP is in progress, and this has just reflected. So there's no point in talking much anymore. Just need to they just need to confirm it on the blockchain, and I'm gonna be getting my SRP right now. You can see how instant it is. So this is all about this video, and this is how you get to earn yourself free XRP and withdraw it straight into your Binance account without any hassle. So thank you for staying till the end of this video, and this is how you get to earn yourself free XRP straight into your Binance account. So over here you can see that this is just happened 53 seconds ago. So this means that this is real and very, very legit. Use the link on the description of this video to get yourself a new account and get to start earning right now without any hesitation. So thank you, and I will see you guys on my next video that is dropping very soon. Peace.